How to use Tezos, quick and easy tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at Tezos, which is a blockchain that has their own native coin XTZ. And we are going to take a look at all you need to know about this blockchain, the coin, or whether or not you should buy this coin, how to buy the coin. So let's get into it. Now, everyone knows that cryptocurrencies are taking over. Cryptocurrencies have become the new norm, and the cryptocurrencies are basically a digital way to change or exchange goods and services in a evaluation for money. And the tokens or the currencies are cryptocurrencies. Now, cryptocurrencies are built on blockchains, and blockchains are the basis of all crypto trade. So all of the crypto transactions are held on a blockchain, and Tezos is basically a blockchain. Now, Tezos has quite a few different features, such as the institutional grade security governance by people. So the Tezos platform was built with a mechanism to ensure community governance and participation. So it's basically a democratic way of holding currencies, and the actual XTZ token is the token that is used as a way to govern the policies of this blockchain. Now, it is also an energy efficient algorithm. So unlike different kinds of other crypto tokens, mining is what is required to build the token or to withhold the blockchain. And mining is basically when you see those racks and racks of computers are working nonstop. That is crypto mining, and that can use a lot of energy. It could be very wasteful as well. And a lot of people have raised several questions that is it really clean to mine so many different coins? Well, they are a energy efficient algorithm. So Tezos requires proof of stake, which has a significantly less energy cost to operate, making it a better alternative platform for building your blockchain applications and having the Web3 movement gains in adoption, scaling responsibly, energy efficient approach to mining crypto, and developing a blockchain community. Now, after that, they also have smarter smart contracts, so they can use formal verification, allowing them to be mathematically verified, reliable, and secure, as well as having seamless, forkless, and endless upgradable platforms with the Tezos blockchain. And it is powerfully scalable, so there are a lot of DeFi platforms and NFTs and a lot more that you can build on the Tezos blockchain. So if you already have an application you would like to migrate, or if you are looking to build your own DeFi application, then Tezos is definitely a good platform for you. So that is a lot about the Tezos blockchain. You can see there is a lot more developer tools about the Tezos platform over here as well. So if you are a developer, then you should be looking into the Tezos blockchain. But how can you get started with their actual native currency, or how do you actually go into the wallet creation? So Tezos has their own wallet creation as well. So you can create a Tezos wallet to hold your Tez or XTZ. So what you're going to do is you're going to go on to Tezos's website, tezos.com. You're going to click on ecosystem, and within the ecosystem, you're going to see on your left you have buy Tez, and then you can click on buy Tez over here, and you can choose the platform that you want to buy Tezos from. So you can choose Coinbase, Binance, Gate, whatever platform you want, but Binance is definitely the most popular one. You're going to log on to your account on Binance. I already have an account, but it's very simple and easy. You're just going to create your account via your email. So what you're going to do after you have logged on to your Binance account is you're just going to click on buy crypto on the top left over here, and you have multiple different options. You're going to click on credit/debit card, and then you're going to enter the USD you want, and then you're going to click on the receive section. So you're going to change this from BTC to BNB. And you might be wondering, hey, I want to buy the Tezos coin. I don't want to buy BNB. Well, you actually have to first buy BNB, and then you're going to take the BNB tokens, and then you're going to open up the spot trading on Binance. And from here, you can actually purchase the XTZ or Tezos token. So that is one way to buy the Tezos token. But what you're going to do is if you go onto the Tezos application, you're going to click your social wallet creation. So you can sign up with one of your social media accounts to create your social Tezos wallet specifically for holding your Tezos or XTZ, whatever you might want to call it. And you can view other wallets that you can use to store your Tezos as well. You have different ones such as Kukai, Temple, Fire, Zengo, Ledger, Trezor. So you have different wallets available for holding Tezos. It's not a very specific option. You can use any other platform that you you want. You have Kakai, and you can just click on accept over here. You can click on continue with Google and use your Kakai wallet, which is the primary or recommended wallet with Tezos if you want to use that. And now you can see you have your Tezos. You can click on buy Tez, and it's going to show you how you can buy Tezos directly in your wallet, in your Kakai wallet as well, and then you can trade it on the other platform. So currently you can just buy Tezos in this way or the Binance way. If you're looking to trade Tezos in the near future, buying it directly on Binance and trading on Binance might be an easier option for you. But in general, Tezos is a very volatile coin. So if we actually take a look at the price and market of Tezos, because we've covered on what the Tezos platform is like, what the Tezos token XTZ is like, but what is the potential for this token? Well, if we take a look at the token over here, it is ranked 37 in the overall coin market cap rankings. It has a price of 1.49 at the time of this video, and it has gone down 2.93% in the past 24 hours. The overall market cap is over $1 billion, and the diluted market cap is over 1.37 billion, with a overall 24-hour volume of $64 million and a very, very large circulating supply of over 900 million. So you can see that you have quite a few different factors affecting Tezos. So it has a very, very large circulating supply. It has very high volumes and market caps as well. And it has a volatile market structure. So if we take a look at the 7-day chart of Tezos over here, it has had a very nice and stable growth. And all of a sudden it has had a crash. It's not exactly a crash, but it is a downward slope in the past 7 days. So the spike took it to around $1.6, and currently it is at 1.4, and it is going down. But this probably means that this is probably the best time to actually invest in Tezos because it has such a past stable economic growth, or you can see it has a stable upward slope, and that means that it is probably going to recover from this loss. So right now might be the best time to invest in a coin like Tezos or XTZ, whatever you might want to call it. So these are big opportunity coins, and they're going to give you larger gains. Tezos is probably expected to do around 2x, which is doubling this price in a near future. So in around a month or so, it could be doing 2x. So the current price of Tezos is almost $1.5, and it could probably reach up to $3 within a month. If you invest like around 10k in this coin right now, it could easily turn into 20, and you can double your money. Obviously it's crypto, so you have the potential for losses, but if we take a look at the monthly chart of Tezos as well, although it has red sections where the price of Tezos dropped, you can see in general, if you were to draw a overarching graph, it is going a slow and upward slope. So in general, I find that Tezos is a good investment for not only short-term buyers, but for long-term buyers as well. And currently the lowest price of Tezos, this is probably going to be the lowest price of Tezos. I don't expect Tezos to drop below 1.49 because it is at a volatile position where previously whenever it has gone to this position, it has recovered, and the recovery period for Tezos is very short, and you will easily be able to make a lot of money with a investment like Tezos presently. Obviously, if the price hikes up by the time you are looking to invest, if the price goes up to $2 or $2.5, then you probably have passed the time for a short-term investment. But still, as a long-term investment with the Tezos blockchain, it is still a great thing to buy because the blockchain is definitely going to be a success. It is moving towards a more secure and more helpful blockchain platform with more seamless and effortless transactions and low fees and focus on energy efficiency. So that is why it is going to be a good coin to invest in, even in long term. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.